Hello everyone, my name is Jan and I'm here to tell you something about the new Spectre Flow editor that we've been building over the past few months. As you might have heard, Spectre Flow is the new ETL engine that the lab has developed, and it uses the new Spectre DFG technology. We've been tasked to design a graphical user interface for this new tool. We've made the interface look similar to Visual Integrator. So you've got a blank canvas with blocks and arrows on it, where each node represents a step in the ETL process. The project team consists of both consultants and developers to ensure that usability and user-friendliness are our main priorities. So let's go to a demonstration. So when you open a flow script, you start with a blank canvas, and you can just drag and drop data sources from the side onto the canvas. Spectre will show you exactly which fields are available and what their types are. Adding in new dimensions is easy using the expression editor, where if you click on this button, it will show you all the available columns, and you can just click on the column name and it will pop right there in your expression. Also, as soon as you start typing, it will automatically start with auto-completion. Anywhere along the way in your data flow, you can right-click on a node and test the data at that point in the flow. All functionality from Visual Integrator is here too. So things like right mouse button, filter on value, or sorting your nodes, that's all available like you're used to right now. Spectre Flow now also comes with native support for JSON files and for Excel sheets, with JSON being especially useful when you try to retrieve data from an API tool. You can also use flow scripts as an input to other flow scripts, and that's going to revolutionize the way we handle ETL. Whereas in the past, you'd usually have one integrator script that ended in an output, and then the next task starts with reading in that same output. You can now just reuse flow, and that will use everything in memory. Another great thing is that you can now finally have multiple outputs in a single flow script. So you can have an example here where all your errors go to a separate flow within your same flow script. And it also allows parallel flows in one thing. The last thing that's great is that you can give nodes a specific color. There are many more features, but I hope that you are just as impressed as we are.